Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to the Well channel. Today I'll show you what to do if your game download is stuck in the Epic Games queue. First of all, you'll want to try fully restarting the launcher. To do this, go to the system tray in the bottom right and click exit to close it completely. Then instead of just launching it normally, right-click it, go to Properties, run it as administrator, and turn off full screen optimization. After that, you can launch it. If that doesn't help, you'll need to clear your browser cache. To do this, go to Run and type in either this or Run. Open the %local app data % folder. Click OK. Find the Epic Games Launcher folder here. Go in, click on Saved, and delete the cache folder. Now if that didn't work, make sure you have plenty of space, both for the game and overall. You can also try closing Epic Games through the Task Manager. Go in there and check if any Epic Games processes are still running. Mine are not. If that doesn't help, then a full reinstall of the launcher is your next option. Also, try restarting your computer. That's all there is to it. This has been Well. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Take care everyone, good luck, and see you around.